Okay, so in this video I want to talk about determining sex using chromosomes. Okay. Now I want to teach you something about. I want to teach you about karotypes. Okay, so karotype. Okay, here's a definition of a karotype. It's basically an individual's collection of chromosomes. Okay, so individual's collection of chromosomes. Okay, it's basically a picture. So it's a picture of a person's chromosomes. There's a lab technique basically that produces images of an individual's chromosomes. Okay, it's used to look for things like abnormal numbers or structures of chromosomes, so they can recognize if you have a disease or not. Okay, so lab technique used to image individuals' chromosomes. Okay, to look for abnormal numbers, or structures of chromosomes. Okay, ... Okay, basically, so looking at using human karotypes, okay, we can differentiate between a male and a female, okay, using chromosomes in a cell. So using human karotypes can differentiate between a male and female using chromosomes in a cell. Okay, it's basically used, so karotyping is basically used for genetic testing. Okay, to determine the gender of a fetus, say, if someone is guilty of a crime or ... Okay, many things. So example, to determine. So mothers use this to determine the genders of their baby, right? To determine sex of fetus. Okay. Okay. So remember that all chromosomes exist in pairs, right? All chromosomes exist in pairs, right? They come in pairs. So let's say we have a karotype here. Looks something like this, okay? And we have this. Now, when you see something like this, right? These are autosomes, except, sorry, whoops, not this, up to here, right? For this is a sex chromosome. Why is it a sex chromosome? Okay, by definition, the shorter one is the Y chromosome, the longer one is the X chromosome. So this is X, this is Y. Okay, so you can tell that this karotype belongs to a male, right? So that's a male. These are all autosomes, right? They're pretty much the same, except for these two. All right, so therefore, this karyotype belongs to a male. All right, this karyotype here. Okay, remember, because males have XY, females have a pair of X's. Okay. Also, it's worth mentioning that, let's say I've got a pair of chromosomes here. So these two are homologous, okay, in a pair of chromosomes. In chromosomes, right, these are the same. For example, one of these, right? These aren't the same though. For a male, only two X's, say, right? They're obviously one X is equal to another X. They're the same thing. So they're homologous. So that's karotypes. Looking on the web, right, you can see a lot of different ones as well. So here's what a normal karotype for a human being looks like, as you can see here. right? Just thread-like structures, so chromosomes everywhere. And if one of them has a shorter chromosome than the other in a pair, you'll have a male, right? If they're the same, it's a female. So they're karotypes.